Excuse me, I just sitting over, just in your back. I'm a street photographer and I got a YouTube channel. Can I take your photograph? How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble, today's video, this is day 18 of the 30-day video and photography challenge. So I'm going up now to get my bike. My bike was off the road. As I mentioned in the previous video, bike was off the road. So I'm going up now to pick it up. The guy's fantastic, Graham. And I don't know what he's done. He's replaced the tyre, he's replaced the parts of the bike anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some street photography. I'm meeting a guy at 2 o'clock. We'll go up and get the bike, come back into Belfast again, and we'll get some street photography. Here we go.
So all three of them are all working.
That's fantastic. And you put the new wheel and all on too?
Yeah.
That's fantastic. New chain.
Tyre.
No stop by new tyre too.
Put a tractor tyre on it. So you got more grip. Well,
wow.
Quite a bit
Now what was I doing wrong? Obviously you never seen the bike getting put in bad state. Look.
And this is your old chain that you were surviving on. You can see a fair difference on that, like.
Absolute star, my brother.
So
new gears and all about too. Look at that, guys.
Back on the road again.
Happy days are here again. Loving it, really. Okay guys, this is down in Belfast now. I have to say, Graham is an absolute fantastic guy because done so much work on the bike, and like he charged me virtually nothing. I have to say, I think I really appreciate him doing it. But he's just such a straight guy. That's the guy who got the bike off. Just an amazing man. But I'm back on the road again. I take Castle Court here, one of the major shopping centres here in Belfast City. Royal Avenue. So I'm going to take up some photographs. I'm going to meet my friend Thomas. 2 o'clock. I don't know what time it is now. Probably about 1:30. So I'm going to meet Thomas at 2 o'clock, get a cup of coffee, grab something to eat, look to see if there's any photographs, and then I will go out and get some street photography. So come on. Okay guys, so we got my old buddy here.
How's it going, everybody?
That's that brother. Not that guy. So listen, this is Taz here. And I'm going to put links up above to go to see Taz Thomas. His friends call him Tav. You call him Al if you want to tell. He answers to anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to head out, get some street photography done, and just take it down there about and have a bit of crack going. So I'll put the wee links up above the Taz thing. He's a good old friend of mine, good old vegan activist here. We're all good.
All good.
So catch you later, and I'm going to get some photographs. Okay guys, so we're just sitting here eating a wee bit of boojums there. Just see there's a lady sitting over there, making her style, and I think it possibly be a good photograph. So what I could do is, I'm going to go over and see if she'd let me take her portrait. Now this could go either way. She could just turn around and say no, and she could turn around and say piss off, or she could turn around and say yes. So this is just going to get, and I'll keep this video running just to see what way I handle it. And I'm looking to see what would be the best photograph that I could take with her just sitting. Let me see. She's got the 50mm lens on, might be too much. She's on the phone, she don't want to interrupt her because she could be doing things, but basically it gets an idea. Let's see. Excuse me, just sitting over, just in your back. I'm a street photographer and I got a YouTube channel. Can I take your photograph? You don't mind? I just seen your fighting animal test and the vegan. I'm just loving the style of it. But I'm loving your whole demeanour, loving your whole style. Can I take your photograph?
No, I know you photo, sorry.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Oh, okay,
What's
lovely.
the YouTube
It's Rambles with my camera. So I've been documenting Belfast for 30 odd years. So whenever I see people, I just document, just take a photograph and I put it on, just how you do street photography, social documentary. But I see somebody like yourself with a different style. I like the photograph, you get a class.
Can I get a photo like my face isn't in it?
Huh?
Can I get a photo like my face isn't in it?
But your face is making the photograph. Your whole style, I think, is fantastic. And the thing that drew me to was fighting animal testing.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah?
That's brilliant. So let's see, I'll get you away from that no smoking sign.
Yeah.
Can you move just down slightly from it? That's lovely. And I'll make sure we get that wee bag in. That's brilliant. Now you do yourself. That's perfect. You look fantastic, by the way. Okay, guys, so listen, obviously I'm aware that the wee girl's a bit cautious. She's got a stranger asking to take her photographs. She's not herself from what I could see from the distance, so I'm just trying to make her relaxed. I'm not going to try and force the issue here. I'm just taking a couple of photographs. And I say, when you're taking photographs of people, you have to respect their space. These people here are giving us a, giving us a part of themselves to take a photograph. So you respect that. So I'm showing her these photographs here. First couple of photographs, she's looking sideward, and the last photograph, and there was one photograph I didn't particularly like, and the wee girl didn't particularly like, so I said that I would delete that one just to make sure. And I'm going to take the same photographs again, and as you can see, her coming more her natural self. So lovely wee girl. So, and I'm really appreciative of her allowing me to take a photograph. So don't be pushing people. If they say no, that's not a problem at all. Just respect their space. If they say yes, then you respect their space also. You don't want to be capturing something that's not them's. And if you don't get a photograph out that reflects a person you saw, then you never do it. You never use it. Okay, that's respecting the person you're taking a photo. Also, give her the business card. Getting them to contact them through Facebook. Send them prints. I send everybody prints. Anybody I take photographs of consented. If they want to get the photographs, I give them a free copy of the photograph. There you go. Thank you. There you go, guys. What a lovely lady. Initially and understandably, she's a bit apprehensive about getting her photograph taken. I explained who I was, just told her what the photograph's going to be used for, and she kindly let me take her photograph. So when I mentioned before in the video that, when you're out taking photographs of people, why are you taking photographs of people first and foremost? And I think, and I'll put a link to the video that I've made about that. Because if you don't know why you're taking a photograph, then why would somebody want to pose for you? So it's important, you're not doing anything wrong. Yeah, you're documenting your areas, you're making your street photographer, you want to street portraits. And I'm saying to you that, if you haven't got a story as why you're taking photographs, you don't know why you're taking photographs, then why are you taking photographs? So sit down, get your story straight, get yourself a business card, get yourself some kind of online presence so somebody can check you out and find out before they permit you to get a photograph. The girl was lovely, and I say, I hope you got something from that. I say, so especially when you're approaching, respect your space, don't be too forceful, explain what you're going to be doing, and hopefully, just like that lady there, you'll get your wee photograph. There you go. Okay guys, there's wee Measle home. Hello wee man, how are you? Good news is he's going to the toilet again properly, and we're just going to keep observing him, and we're going to be giving him some wee tablets. So listen guys, thank you all so much for all your love and support. There's his wee brother, Thimble, sitting there. So basically, send you love from Ireland, and thanks again for all your love and support and kind wishes sent to Measle. Back home, safe and well. He's just chilling out here with his wee brothers. See you later, guys.